Hello traders, this is the first video for my DL strategy in which I show you how to use daily support and resistance levels for day trading. Now the first thing you need is some indicators. The most important one is the Gann Swing Chart to draw your SNR levels. This one, the link will be in the description. The next one is the sessions and trends, so that you see at which time to trade. It also comes with some EMAs. And the last one, kind of optional, is the weekly profile to see the start and end of the day. Alright, and here is a daily chart, Euro USD, and I added all the indicators. And the first thing I do is to draw the support and resistance levels using the Gann Swing Chart. You see this kind of purple line, and I draw them around the current price. You can do this, for example, in the evening when the day ends. This is Tuesday, 23rd of November, and you draw the lines for the next day. This is the current price. I mark this with a red line. And now we go ahead and use the closing prices of the peaks that you see here in the Gann chart. And I add array for every level and apply a template. With this method, I build a frame of support and resistance levels around the current price. You can hold the Ctrl key and use the left mouse button to copy these rays, and then grab them at the start of the ray, also by pressing the Ctrl key to snap them to the closing prices wherever you see a peak in the Gann chart. Okay, that's it. Now I remove the red line, and we will see how price is reacting at these levels on the lower time frame the next day. Okay, the next day started. This is the 15 minutes chart. And this is the Asian session. Now the price stopped at this support level and is building a bullish structure. I posted this, by the way, but yeah, unfortunately I was still in bed. Yeah, but if I'd woke up earlier, that would have been my trade. But anyway, the day just started and we come from this daily support. So the direction is clear, and by the way, the dominant trend of the daily time frame is up. So the idea is to buy and to reach at least the next daily level. Okay, so what can we do to join the ride to the upside? We can wait for a retracement, and this happens here in the London session. And of course, this is the right time to trade for this pair, and what I'm looking for is a bullish pattern. That easy. You can do this on the 5-minute, you can do this on the 15-minute. Here on the 15-minute I see now a bullish engulfing, and I just enter the trade with a market order. And then, surprise, you see that your indicators like the alignment of the EMAs or the RSI are suddenly going to work because you're with the higher time frame trend. You don't need them, but it's just another confirmation, another confluence. In one of the next videos we will talk about stop losses and take profits. For now I'm just trading here with a tight stop loss in the London session and then most likely close the trade. Because in the New York session we either get a reversal or a continuation, but we don't know yet. But always keep in mind that the overall goal is to go from the daily support to the next daily level. I mark this here with these red dots. We get a kind of swing failure pattern where we are not closing below the London session. We also add this support level, a pretty good sign. But I wait if we get a bullish price action in the New York session. That shows me that we are going higher. And here we have a pretty good candle, rejection to the downside, RSI pointing to the upside, EMAs aligned. So I enter the trade. You can also go with a buy stop here if you like. And here we hit the first target early in the New York session. So you can take partials here or close the trade. But here we get another bullish engulfing, and a resistance, especially if it is tested already, is most likely to break in a bull trend. As I said, in one of the next videos I will show you more entry patterns at these daily levels, and also how to cut losing trades early and how you can hold winners or even add to these trades. By the way, if you need a good broker, I can recommend Hankotrade because of their low spreads and low commissions. It's easy to trade with them because you don't need KYC documents. You can just go to their website, register and start trading. Give it a try, the link is in the description below. That's it for now, guys. I hope you liked the video and the strategy. A short ebook about it is in the making. I'll let you know about the progress. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Add these to the comments below. Also join me on X where I'm sharing trading ideas, and I'll see you in the next one here on the Trading Guide.